Today we're going to make some shirt accents. So let's start. The materials are a pair of scissors, some pointy object, beads with big holes, and of course, a shirt. Now let's start. You can tie it like this, 3 knots, or like this, only 1 knot. If you want the tassels to be longer, fold it bigger, like this. Make 20 tassels in the front and on the back. To make it easier, cut on the middle. Now cut again here and here. For the 4 sides, cut 5 tassels each. Make sure it's almost the same length and width as the others. Now cut the sides. Next, lengthen the strips by pulling it downwards. There! Now, get 2 strips and tie them together. Then tighten it. Keep on doing that till you're done the entire thing. Now it's done. It looks nice, doesn't it? We'll add more accents. Next, get 1 strip of 1 pair and get another strip from another pair and tie them together. Like this. Give about a 1-inch distance from the top. Do the same thing to the rest on the front. beads are in, let's make the third layer. Connect one strip from one part to another. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!